This is a brand new 2013 Mercedes-Benz S550. This four-door sedan has a 7-speed automatic transmission, a 4.6-liter V8, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include a navigation system, Bluetooth mobile device connectivity, a rear-view camera, a sunroof, active ventilated front seats, high-intensity headlights, a premium audio system, XM satellite radio, an air suspension, a twin turbocharged forced induction system, cornering lights, soft closed doors, traction control and stability control systems, 18-inch alloy wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignments with the push of one button, air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, leather seats, front and rear floor mats, rear-mounted side airbags, latch-ready child seat anchors, rear seat child-proof door locks, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, and the HomeLink transceiver can be programmed to use the same frequency as your remote opening devices, such as the garage door, the entry gate, or even the living room lights, enabling you to control them right from the driver's seat. Call now to find out how you can own this breathtaking automobile.
Thank you for considering Mercedes-Benz of Westchester for your next luxury vehicle. We are conveniently located at 1260 Wilmington Pike in Westchester. We look forward to serving you.